Hi there and welcome back to Mommy Hates Cooking. Today we're going to make air fryer Parmesan chicken wings. These are easy to make gluten-free and you can make these in the Ninja Foodi too using the air crisp function. So the first thing we're going to need to do is get all of our ingredients ready. You're going to need 2 pounds of chicken wings, 2 tablespoons of butter melted and cooled, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of minced garlic, a teaspoon of smoked paprika or just regular paprika will work too, along with 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of ground pepper, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and 1/4 a cup freshly grated Parmigiano cheese. So these are going to be all the ingredients you need. They're going to end up being naturally gluten-free, which makes it really easy to serve to guests if that is a need. So what we're going to do first is unpack those chicken wings and place them in a 9 by 13 dish or a large bowl. So we're just going to get those ready. You can kind of dab them off with a paper towel if you want, if they're wet. So once you have them in your bowl or your baking dish, you're going to go ahead and get your ingredients combined. You're going to pour the melted butter over the wings first to coat them, and then in a small bowl, mix together the garlic powder, minced garlic, paprika, salt, and pepper. So we're going to get that all mixed up, and then we're just going to coat those wings with that mixture, and you need to make sure you rub it all in so that it really gets into the wings, and just pat them until you're well coated. You can do both sides if you want. Totally up to you. I like to do both sides of the wings just to make sure I get them really well seasoned. And then once that's done, we're going to go ahead and get our cornstarch ready. And we're going to add the cornstarch and the cheese and just rub that over each wing, rubbing it in to coat. So I've got that all done here, and I'm going to do it again on both sides. Whatever is left in the dish there that kind of falls off, you can just rub that underneath on the other side of the wing. So you're going to preheat your air fryer for 2 minutes and then place the wings in the basket and air fry them at 380 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 minutes. About halfway through there, after the 12 minutes, you're going to go ahead and flip those wings over. It is very important to have a meat thermometer on hand because after you flip them over, you're going to cook them for an additional 12 minutes or until they reach that internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, which can be checked with a meat thermometer. A lot of times I like them to get closer to 170, 175. This typically takes a full 24 minutes. However, all air fryers heat differently, so that's why you want to keep a close eye on them. So this is what they're going to look like when they're done. They're nice and crispy. They taste great, perfect for parties. These are air fryer Parmesan chicken wings. You can serve them with your favorite dipping sauce too. And you can find this full recipe over on airfryerfanatics.com. I'm going to have the link down in the show notes below. And I hope you like this video so that you don't miss the next one. Thanks so much for tuning in today.